Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with RevenueCat to authorize in-app purchase UI logic, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a RevenueCat account set up. Log into your RevenueCat dashboard. Create a new project specifically for your app. Take note of your project API key, as you'll need it later. Next, open your development environment. Integrate the RevenueCat SDK into your project. If you're working with iOS, use CocoaPods or Swift Package Manager. For Android, add the dependency in your build.gradle file. After integrating the SDK, initialize RevenueCat in your app. Use the project API key you noted earlier. Once initialized, set up your products in the RevenueCat dashboard. Navigate to the Products section and add the in-app purchases you plan to offer. Make sure to configure the products according to your app's requirements. After setting up your products, return to your code. Implement the purchase logic by calling RevenueCat's purchase method. Test the purchase flow on a physical device, as in-app purchases don't work on simulators. Check the RevenueCat dashboard for real-time updates on your purchases. If successful, you will see the purchase appear under your project. Next, implement the retrieval of entitlements associated with the purchases. Add the logic to display UI elements based on whether a user has access. Ensure the UI reflects the user's purchase status. Lastly, test the entire flow thoroughly for any issues. This includes checking error handling for denied purchases. Once everything is complete, you're ready to launch your in-app purchase functionality with RevenueCat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.